Brothers, the V-comfyui integration package has finally received an epic update. It features a built-in optimized PS plugin, plus the V-launcher, focusing entirely on an unzip and use experience. Even if you are a complete beginner, this free integration package can become your ultimate image editing tool. First, let's look at the first upgrade, saying goodbye to manual installation. Click on Settings. Do you see this small folder icon? Select your local PS installation directory. Click this rotate button, and the plugin installs automatically. In the future, you won't need to find files for plugin updates either. Just click Yes for an automatic, seamless upgrade. It's just that smooth. Furthermore, I have already preset the startup parameters for everyone. You can use the official original version right out of the box, including the most powerful node manager without looking up code yourself. The third big feature, one-click plugin creation. Recently, the Klein model has gone viral across the web, but local machines struggle to run it. No problem. I have deployed the workflow on a cloud platform. Copy the digital ID of this AI application, paste it into the V-launcher, and generate with one click. It instantly transforms into a locally usable PS plugin. Talk is cheap. Let's generate an image to see. Import a photo, enter the prompt, change the motorcycle to a black horse, and click Generate. Watch V-comfyui run silently in the background. After generation, it will appear in the preview window. With a single right click, the image returns directly to the PS canvas as a smart object. The plugin's backend has also been refactored this time, making transmission speeds faster, and it supports batch generation of up to 4 images. I previously shared a fully functional integration package. Whether it's open source models or closed source models, they can all be easily invoked. The true, complete form of PS plus AI. Interested friends can check it out. I have also included the latest Klein local workflow in the package. The integration package, models, and plugins mentioned in this video are all shared for free. The resources are in the comments section.